Experience the intense gaming performance of North American brand with HAJAAN Flash F50 Gaming PC. One of the best PC for ultimate gaming experience. You can achieve ultimate frame rate performance for the most demanding games like Counter-Strike, Paladins and GTA V. Every HAJAAN Gaming PC is assembled in Canada and serviced in North America. AMD Ryzen 5 3600X Hexa core processor 3.8 GHz, overclockable up to 4.4 GHz, 35 MB cache, RAM, 16 GB DDR4 DRAM, 3200 MHz, boot drive, 1 TB solid-state drive, drive performance, 550 470 to 500 MB/s, interface, SATA 3.6.0 Gbps, storage capacity, 1 TB of hard disk drive, operating system, Windows 10 Home, 64-bit, graphics card, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1654GB, 1x DisplayPort, 1x HDMI connectivity, front panel USB 3.0x1, USB 2.0x2, audio connector X2, back panel USB 3.0x6, USB 2.0x2, PS/2, RJ45x1, audio connector X6, audio, 7.1 channel, PCI-E wireless high-speed dual-band Wi-Fi network adapter card with rotating antenna. Case features: aesthetically impressive designed case with glass front panel, RGB lights display vivid visual effects through the tempered glass panel.